What the hell did I run out of coal again? I didn't even smoke on the way out. Well, maybe I'm glitching. Here we go! This is real. I'm really stuck here for a long time. What am I supposed to do here? Hardly anyone uses this old road. Whoa! What do we have here? Hey, Toby, what are you doing here? Shit. Tell me, Toto, what kind of wood are you made of?
I don't remember exactly. I think it's oak. Yes, oak. That's right.
Oak wood, you say? As far as I know, it burns well. Okay, try to push me forward. If you're my loyal friend, you want to help me, of course.
A few moments later.
Oh, Toby, my faithful friend, are you ready? Slowly push.
Yes. It's not pushing. You're too heavy.
What?
I'm telling you, it's not pushing.
Shit! I'm stuck here forever!
Why don't I ask for help? I'll go quickly and ask for help.
Have you seen yourself? You're gonna fall apart by the time you get to the damn place. I have a plan. I need your boards, Toby.
What? No, don't even think about it.
We'll make you new boards, Toby. Just give me yours for a couple hours.
No, I'll tell Gordon about it. I still want to live.
I don't think you'll have time to tell Gordon about this. Guys, take the boards off of him.
You two poop where there's smoke.
The birds can't die.